looking here, where we have, at last count, 82 participants and this many people around, just shows the dynamic capabilities of the Mongolian economy, especially when partnering with American companies and organizations. I've been very impressed with the consumer choice that the Mongolian consumer has. Of course, I appreciate the product, the consumer choice that I have, and it's great to see that this is also present in Mongolia, giving American products and services a chance and the Mongolian consumers to utilize the best products in the world, in my opinion.
Why we do this. Why does the U.S. Embassy and AmCham do this American Days Expo each year? We believe that American products and American services are the very best in the world. They represent the best in technology and innovation and quality and efficiency. And to bring those products all under one roof for the Mongolian public to experience is a big priority for us. What it represents partnership, a partnership between American companies and Mongolian companies. And that's what you see on display today. And it's that partnership, bring the very best American products together with the very best Mongolian companies and making those products available to the Mongolian public, but also creating jobs and opportunities for Mongolian companies. So we celebrate that today, and we thank all of the public for being out here today. So thank you all very, very much.